Hello everyone, this is Laura. Welcome to my channel. This is my trip to Manhattan to see New York Fashion Week in September 2020. As you see, Grand Central is not busy at all. And now I'm getting out to 42nd Street and you see the taxi cabs here. As usual, New York City taxi. I'm looking now east 42nd Street, and this is a beautiful building. And this is a new building that was built, just finished recently. And I'm heading towards Fifth Avenue to Bryant Park. I want to make a quick stop there and then to head to Spring Studios in Soho. Again, I'm on another side of the street, and this is the beautiful building, MetLife building, and Grand Central. And I keep moving towards Fifth Avenue. This is Zara at the corner of Fifth Avenue and 42nd Street. This is And Other Stories and Course. This information for shoppers. This is Fifth Avenue South, and this is New York Public Library. In my next videos, I'm going to make a big extensive video about New York Public Library. And I keep going on 42nd Street, and this is Bryant Park. There used to be a huge tent built here for fashion shows because it's very close to Fashion District, but later on it moved to Lincoln Center, and now it's at Spring Studios in Soho.
Usually they would have a big pavilion here for Fashion Week, but not this year. Beautiful house. Now I'm in the middle of it.
Now I'm on 6th Avenue, and you see this is the heart of Fashion District in New York City. But I don't see any advertisements for New York Fashion Week. It's not crowded at all. Pretty empty. So I don't see New York Fashion Week happening here. Cafes and restaurants are open and running outdoors. And now I'm going to head down 6th Avenue to Soho to see New York Fashion Week. Finally, I arrived to New York Fashion Week that usually is held in Spring Studios, one of the locations, and I did not see anybody. It used to be hundreds of photographers, models, fashion influencers, bloggers, but I did not see anybody, like only half a dozen of photographers who were waiting for this crowd that never appeared. So what happened? New York Fashion Week went virtual.
So this is the entrance, and now it's time before shows, so there's nobody here. There's like luggage area, and I see some photographers. And they're waiting there. So maybe I will hang around until next show. See somebody, so I found the building. Alright, let's wait, let's see when is the next show. Well, mostly photographers. Not so many. Yeah,
Very vague.
problem.
So they're going to lose a lot of the attraction
Yeah.
because usually there's a 50 to 100 photographers.
Do you mind?
And now, hi.
Guy.
And now there's nobody here. So they're going to lose a lot of that attraction.
Wow. Even at night, it's not so busy.
Well, like I said, there's usually 50 photographers that would show up.
Mhm.
None of them are here. If the shows have already been shot a week or two ago.
So nobody showed up for a long time. Alright, oh well. So I'm heading back home. I will see it in magazines, but I've been here. I know the shows are going on, but with very few people. No fashion influencers. It's okay. Next year then. And now I'm heading home. Bye, Grand Sandal. Rail Fanny.
And this is Harlem, around 125th Street. As you see, not very busy, neither, not so many people. Lazy, late summer afternoon.
Leave the train. Please watch the gap between the train and the platform. This is the train to North White. The next station is...
And this is Harlem River, separating Manhattan from the Bronx.